Okay, so number 11 is a trinomial because it has 3 terms times a binomial because it has 2 terms. So we can set up a 2 by 3 box and use the box method. So 2n squared minus 5n and 3 times the m and the 1. So these two are going to go here. So that would be 2m cubed. These two are going to be multiplied together, giving us negative 5m squared. These two are going to multiply to give us 3m. And that's going to be 2m squared minus 5m plus 3. So now we need to pull out our like terms. I don't see any more cubes, so my answer is definitely going to have 2m cubed in it. And these are like terms, so I have 2 here and negative 5 here, so those are going to combine to give me negative 3m squares. And I've got more like terms here of negative 5 and 3, and those are going to combine to give me negative 2m. And there's no like terms here, so we'll just write the 3. Alright, number 12 is asking you to square what's inside of the parentheses. So remember, when you square something, you're multiplying it times itself. So it's really like you're doing 4x minus 5 times 4x minus 5. So it might help you to write that so you see that this is an opportunity for you to use the box. So we can set up our box and 4x minus 5. 4x minus 5. So these two are going to multiply to go in the top left hand, so 16x squared. These two are going to multiply to give us negative 20x. And those two are going to multiply to give us negative 20x. And negative 5 and negative 5 give us a positive 25. So when we're pulling out our solution, we can say 16x squared, because that's the only x squared we have. And then we're going to combine these two to give me negative 40x. Plus 25. So on this one, what I would do first is distribute this a onto this first term, and then I would have 2 binomials that I could put in my box. So a times a is going to give me a squared, and a times negative 1 is going to give me minus 1a, or just minus a, either way you look at it. And then we're going to multiply that by a plus 1. So we can set up our box of a squared minus a. And our other side is going to be a plus 1. So this will give us a cubed minus a squared, and minus a. So when we go to pull out our like terms, a cubed is the only one there, so that comes out. And a squared minus a squared makes my a squareds completely go away. And so then I would just have my negative a left over, so a cubed minus a would be the answer for that one.